डिअर भूषण, 35 वर्षाची अविरत सेवा देऊन HPCLमधून तू आज सेवानिवृत्त होत आहेस. आज मनस्थिती द्विधा आहे. तू नवीन अध्याय सुरू करणार आहेस म्हणून आनंद आहे. तर तू उद्यापासून आमच्यात नसणार आहेस ह्याचे दुःख आहे. भूषण आणि माझी ओळख HPCL क्रिकेटमुळे झाली. आमच्या तालुक्यातील असल्यामुळे आमची दोस्ती खूप जमली. म्हणजे मित्रापेक्षा तो मला मोठ्या भावासारखाच आहे. म्हणून आकांक्षा ही सुद्धा मला काकाच म्हणते. HP क्रिकेटला इलियास साहेब व अनुपम तिवारी साहेब ह्यांच्या सहकार्याने सोनेरी दिवस आणण्याचे, म्हणजेच नवीन क्रीडा साहित्यापासून ब्रँडेड कपडे तसेच पंचतारांकित हॉटेलमध्ये राहण्याची सोय आम्हा संघातील खेळाडूंना मिळवून देण्याचे श्रेय पूर्णपणे भूषणलाच जाते. क्रिकेट म्हणजे त्याचा जीव की प्राण. म्हणूनच वयाच्या 59व्या वर्षापर्यंत तो खेळत राहिला आणि उत्कृष्ट कामगिरीसुद्धा देत राहिला. असे म्हणतात की यशस्वी पुरुषाच्या मागे स्त्री असते, पण अलका वहिनी तर यशस्वी पुरुषाच्या मागे नसून साथीने उभ्या राहिल्या. म्हणून आज भूषण ही मजल मारू शकला आहे. अलका वहिनीबाबत बोलायचे झाले तर त्यांनाही क्रिकेटची आवड असल्यामुळे आमच्या मॅच वेळेला भूषणची किटबॅग भरण्यापासून ते त्याचे खाण्याचे टिफिन्स, म्हणजे विजयी होण्यासाठी हिंदू प्रथेप्रमाणे खडी साखर ही टिफिनमध्ये ठेवणे, तसेच लाडू आणि इतर खाण्याचे साहित्य त्याच त्याच्या किटबॅगमध्ये भरायच्या. चेंबूर किंवा ठाणे येथे मॅच असताना मी भूषणच्या गाडीने प्रवास करीत असे. त्यावेळी मी त्याच्या घरी जात असे. त्यावेळी वहिनींनी मला एकही दिवस चहा नाश्ता ह्याच्या विना पाठविल्याचे मला तरी आठवत नाही. बोलण्यास खूप आहे, परंतु वेळ थोडा आहे व आमचे क्रिकेट वर्तुळातील काही मित्रही भूषणला शुभेच्छा देणार आहेत. म्हणून पुन्हा एकदा भूषणला आपला दुसरा अध्याय अलका वहिनीसह निरोगी सुखी समाधानी जावा हीच परमेश्वराकडे प्रार्थना.
Hello Bhushan sir, I heard that you're retiring soon. I would just like to wish you good luck for your after retirement part, and thanks for supporting me when I was in HPCL, and I had a great journey and good fun to play alongside as well.
नमस्कार, मी दीपक पाटील. सध्या असिस्टंट कमिशनर ऑफ पोलीस म्हणून रिटायर झालो एप्रिलमध्ये. पोलीस जिमखाना जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी स्पोर्ट्स होतो. मुंबई पोलीस संघाचे 20-25 वर्ष प्रतिनिधित्व केलेलं आहे. तसेच कप्तानपद पण भूषवलेलं आहे. माझा जवळचा मित्र भूषण पाटील हा या महिन्याच्या उत्तरार्धात सेवानिवृत्त होत आहे. भूषण माझा अत्यंत जवळचा मित्र आहे. क्रिकेटचं म्हटलं तर भूषण फार क्रिकेटवेडा आहे. अतिशय सज्जन, मैदानात सज्जन प्रवृत्तीचा म्हणून भूषण परिचित आहे, परंतु तेवढाच घातक फिरकी गोलंदाज म्हणून आहे. भूषणच्या टीम HPCL बरोबर आमचा जेव्हा सामना व्हायचा तेव्हा भूषणचा टीमचा आमच्यावर प्रेशर असायचं आणि विशेषतः भूषणचा फिरकी गोलंदाजाचा दबदबा हा कायम मैदानात असायचा. त्याच्यामुळे आणि तो आमच्या संघालाही असायचा. बरेच वर्ष भूषणला फार जवळून बघितलेलं आहे. आपला संघ कायम जिंकावा हे त्याच्या नेहमीच मनात असायचं. त्यामुळे आपली टीम चांगली करण्यासाठी भूषण नेहमी प्रयत्नशील असायचा. आणि HPCL व्यवस्थापनामुळे बऱ्याचशा मुंबईतल्या तरुण उदयोन्मुख क्रिकेटर्सना नोकरी मिळालेली आहे, स्कॉलरशिप मिळालेली आहे. त्यातल्या काही जणांनी मुंबईचं तसेच भारतीय संघाचं नेतृत्व केलेलं आहे. आणि एका विशिष्ट वेळी ज्यावेळेस गरज असते त्याच वेळेस HPCLची स्कॉलरशिप कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट किंवा नोकरी संदर्भात भूषण कायमच प्रयत्नशील असायचा. तो सर्वांशी संपर्क साधायचा आणि जास्तीत जास्त चांगले प्लेयर्स माझ्या टीमला कसे मिळतील याचा त्याचा प्रयत्न असायचा. मग MCच्या संबंधित क्लब्सना तो रिक्वेस्ट करायचा चांगले प्लेयर सजेस्ट करण्यासाठी. मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनच्या वेगवेगळ्या समितीवर भूषणनी बरेच वर्ष काम केलेलं आहे आणि उत्तमरित्या काम केलेलं आहे. एकंदरीत पाहता भूषणचा हा जो प्रवास आहे हा आम्ही मैदानात पण बघितलेला आहे, मैदानाच्या बाहेर पण बघितलेला आहे. मदत करणं हे त्याच्यात मनातला स्थायी भावच आहे. आणि विशेष करून याबाबत HPCL या कंपनीचे फार मोठे योगदान आहे. या तरुण उदयमुख खेळाडूंना प्रोत्साहनपर
Hi Bhushan, wish you many happy returns of the day. तुझा आज 60वा वाढदिवस. तुझे जे कार्य क्रिकेट करता, मुंबई क्रिकेट करता, HPCLच्या क्रिकेट करता तू जे काही केलंयस ते खरंच वाखाणण्याजोगं आहे आणि देव तुला उदंड आयुष्य देव. तू असेच क्रिकेटची आणि क्रिकेटर्सची सेवा करत राहा आणि तुझं रिटायरमेंट नंतरचं आयुष्य खूप चांगलं आणि सुखद जाऊ दे अशीच आणि हेल्दी जाऊ दे हीच मी देवाकडे प्रार्थना करतो. हॅव अ गुड डे.
Hi Bhushan, retiring at the end of the month. Time has flown so fast. I remember the time when I joined BPCL and we played HPCL for the first time. And I still remember how difficult it was to negotiate your left arm spin, your nagging accuracy, your nip, the length which you bowled, and the height from where you release the ball actually made it very difficult to pick up your length and your line. And that has always made it difficult for all the batsmen who have faced you, including me. And it has been very difficult to pick up your length and go after you. Anyway, the same thing has continued even during after you crossed 45 and you started playing veteran cricket. And when I joined the veteran group as well, I found that तुझा टप्पा तर काही चेंज झाला नव्हता. In fact, I remember माझी पहिली मॅच इंदोरला अगेन्स्ट HPCL आणि तू जेव्हा तुला जेव्हा बॉल दिला टाकायला आणि when I faced you तर मी म्हटलं आई ग हा आता इथेच टाकत बसणार आणि याला मारायचं कसं असं झालं. पण that is the kind of value you add to your team. That is the kind of reputation you have as a bowler who does not give it away very easily. And it has been a pleasure playing against you. You have over the years played some good cricket. You are extremely respected as an opposition bowler, and you have been a very good friend as well. And although we may not have had a lot of long conversations, but your passion for this game of cricket and for people, to help people especially, has been tremendous, and I thank you for that. Also, I wish you the best of health in years to come, and I'm sure you have planned something to keep you busy right through the day, from the day you retire after October. I wish you good health, and I'm sure you'll be missed. You'll most definitely be missed. Anyway, take care, buddy, and I wish you good health, and I hope you stay involved in cricket. Maybe तुमच्या local area मध्ये you could join some.
Hello Bhushanji, it is always a pleasure meeting you. I just came to know that you are superannuating in October. I wish you all the very best for the second innings in life. Do whatever things you could not do during your working days in office. You are a very nice, humble, helpful person. You always take care of your colleague, your teammates. I've seen it over the years. But one thing I would like to tell you that you have given ONGC cricket team a hard time, not once, many times in the PSPB. You are like a fighter, a tiger on the field. So once again, I will say all the best. Bye for now. Good luck to you and keep in touch.
नमस्कार. हिंदुस्थान पेट्रोलियम चे सर्व क्रीडापटू आणि सर्व कर्मचारी बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, आज या महिन्याच्या अखेरी क्रिकेटपटू भूषण पाटील यांची निवृत्ती आहे. भूषण पाटील यांच्याविषयी जर बोलायचं झालं तर भूषण पाटील एक अतिशय शिस्तप्रिय आणि एक निडर असा हा सचिव हिंदुस्थान पेट्रोलियमला लाभला होता. आणि त्यांचं योगदान हे केवळ हिंदुस्थान पेट्रोलियमच्या क्रिकेटसाठीच मर्यादित नव्हतं, तर ते मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनच्या माध्यमातून देखील त्यांनी अनेक कामं मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनसाठी केली. आणि खास करून जी काही नवं तरुण आहेत, ज्यांच्याकडे चांगलं क्रिकेटचं कौशल्य आहे, अशा मुलांना देखील त्यांनी हिंदुस्थान पेट्रोलियमसारख्या संघामध्ये स्थान देऊन त्यांना एक चांगलं असं व्यासपीठ या मुंबई शहराच्या क्रिकेटमध्ये त्यांनी हिंदुस्थान पेट्रोलियमच्या माध्यमातून दिलेलं आहे. प्रिय मित्र भूषण, क्रिकेटचं तुझं हे योगदान न विसरण्यासारखं आहे, परंतु निवृत्तीनंतर आता खऱ्या अर्थाने क्रिकेटची सेवा करण्यासाठी तुला पूर्ण वेळ आहे. तेव्हा कुठलंही मस्टर किंवा कुठलंही ऑफिसची जबाबदारी तुझ्याकडे नसणार आहे. तेव्हा पूर्णपणे तुला क्रिकेटच्या सेवेसाठी आपली जबाबदारी पूर्ण करण्यासाठी आता पूर्ण वेळ मिळणार आहे. तेव्हा आपल्या निवृत्तीनंतरच्या आयुष्यात क्रिकेटची सेवा कर, मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनची सेवा कर, चांगले चांगले क्रिकेटपटू मुंबई क्रिकेटला दे, हीच मी इथून सर्वांच्या वतीने तुझ्याकडे एक नम्र विनंती करतो. आणि आजच्या या शुभ दिवशी मी तुला माझ्या ओरिएंटल इन्शुरन्स स्पोर्ट्स क्लबच्या वतीने तुला मनपूर्वक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो. निवृत्तीनंतर तुझं आयुष्य सुखाचं, समाधानाचं, हेल्दी आणि वेल्दी तर निश्चितपणे आहेस, याबद्दल माझ्या मनात मात्र शंका नाही आहे. पुन्हा एकदा माझ्या सर्व क्लबच्या सर्व सहकाऱ्यांच्या वतीने तुला मनापासून निवृत्तीच्या हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Hi everyone, good evening. Good evening भूषण सर. एक पैंडमिक के कारण टाइम कैसा निकल गया समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Like during this period of time, many of our cricketers have retired. Recently Khade retired, Kohli, Rane. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep a farewell match for them, and now is the time for our great captain, Bhushan sir, who's going to retire soon. Bhushan sir को मैं पहली बार देखा था, I think so it was in MIG Club, Bandra. I used to stay in Bandra East, और my colleague Khade, he's told me that PSCB का मैच है, MIG Club में आ जा, because I used to stay there. Just 5 minute walkable distance. तो मैं उधर गया, पहुँचा. The first time I saw Bhushan sir over there, was tall. First impression was that he was a pace bowler. Later on, he turned out to be a spinner. So during the match, what I observed, frankly speaking, what I saw was that he was a good spinner and was not very agile or athletic at that time. But after the match, what I saw and observed was keenly that he was asking his friends like ball कैसा गिर रहा था, टप्पे पे गिर रहा था, क्या एक्शन के साथ. He was continuously evaluating his performance. I thought that he was a learner. और उस मैच के बाद तो we hardly met. Like our team was different. PH का टीम अलग था, रिफाइनरी का टीम अलग था, and we used to meet only during the matches, like on the ground. तो वहाँ पे भी इतना पहचान नहीं था क्योंकि many of our cricketers were there. I was just new. I got into cricket in '96. Finally, when our team became one, like refinery of PH merged, and he was unanimously made the captain of that team. उसके बाद our relationship developed. Actually, frankly speaking, I was not a very good, extraordinary player, but whatever I have achieved little in cricket is because of him, because he was the one who gave me regular chances in the team. Actually, team में घुसना It was really very difficult to get into the playing 11 because we had several great players in our team, like Gole, Khade, Rane, Usman, Bhai, Abhyank, many of them, Bagadi and all. So to get into the playing 11 was really very difficult, but that he saw in me a spark, like, whatever little I had, like I was a good fielder, I was good in running between the wickets. So he was like Dhoni, ordinary player who he extracted everything, like most from that player. Later on, during his captaincy, like I would say, it was very cool, like, he was a very successful captain because he was blessed with great players like match winners all. But he won and he was the captain because he had a good relationship with everyone. I mean, he gave respect. I mean, like, it's very difficult to take a team, like be the captain of a team with so many talented players. There is often ego clash and all, but he was the one who gave equal respect to everyone, and they also had that respect to him. And even during his captaincy, when he was a captain, it was very cool on the field. Like, if he missed catches or misfield, if he get out 0, he never scolded or raised a voice. I mean, after the match, like team meeting, he just tell that forget about this match and we'll concentrate on the next match. So Aisa was extremely a very good, like a good human being. Actually, we knew in heart that he has to go and speak to the management about our performance. He has to stand there and tell. So we were fortunate enough to have a good, like, management who looked after the sports, like Anupam sir and before him Ilyas sir was there. Like, they had that tremendous belief in Bhushan sir because they knew that the cricket was in good hands. So they were not bothered. एक हार गया तो दूसरा मैच जीतेगा. So under him we won tournaments like mini league in Madras, Raipur में PSCP. It was one of my veterans का. So there were good memories. And if you see Bhushan sir, like, he used to come all the way from Daisar and all, driving match K10 tournament. We, after playing for so many 15-20 years, like, सवेरे आने का मैच खेलने का, बैठते थे टेंट में. सो ही वॉज लाइक अमिताभ को कभी देखा है. मैं एट दिस एज ऑल्सो द वे ही अप्रोचेस दैट एटीट्यूड, ऐसा चल के आता है, दैट स्वैग इन हिम. लाइक भूषण सर भी कभी सवेरे आते हैं और टेंट के उधर आते मैच के टाइम, ही कम्स देयर, बैग रखता है और बोलेगा कम डाउन, चल ज़्यादा पिच बगू नहीं गया. एंड यूज्ड टू वॉक लाइक दिस. फिर आके पिच देखने के बाद आके बोलता था इफ इट्स गुड और लाइक पानी रहता था तो यूज्ड टू कॉल दैट मालियंस, उसको समझाता था. तो ही वॉज लाइक लुकिंग एट हिज जोश एंड ही यूज्ड टू गेट मोटिवेटेड. So he was into all things, and whatever I am today, whatever I have achieved is because you have enjoyed in cricket, is because of Bhushan sir. Thank you very much, sir. And at the same time, I would say that whatever he has achieved, we forget about his family. At this juncture, I would just like to talk about his family because he was a man. He had so many things in his hand. So then, behind the success of every man, there is a woman. So in his case, there were two women. His loving and caring wife and his daughter who settled in US. It's really very difficult to live with a man who is so successful. So I can imagine his wife, Vaini, like how much support she must have given. She was like a sponge who absorbed everything, all the tensions and the pressures which she carried home. And she gave that space to him. सो बहिणी आता वाटणार काय, साहेब आता रिटायर झाले, टाईम भेटणार गप्पा गोष्टी करायला, फिरायला, पण हा माणूस थांबणार नाही आहे. ही हॅज इन हँड सो मेनी थिंग्स, ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. बट रॅदर आय वुड से दॅट भूषण सर, go slow now. You have achieved a lot and hope you keep good health and you still do a lot of things, social work and all after you retire. pray that God's mercy is there on you. I forgot to mention one more name, great cricketer, great all-rounder, Hemant sir, who is unfortunately not with us today. One of the great player. I mean, he also played a very important role in Bhushan sir's career as his growth as a captain, as an individual cricketer. If he would have been there, he would have also shared his views, would have told a lot of things about him. So guys, Bhushan sir, thank you once again for doing so much for HPCL cricket and the company as a whole. So be safe, keep fitness, be fit, and keep connected with us. Thank you. Cheers.
Hi Bhushan sir, you are one of the most loving and caring person I have came across. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to represent the HPCL cricket team. I hope you nail this innings too, just like you did on the ground. Congratulations on spinning your way into the retirement. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mandar Phadke from Indian Oil cricket team. Hi Bhushan, really happy to know that you'll be retiring this month and after a successful tenure at HPCL. Congratulations on that. Now, when we used to think about the HPCL cricket team, there was only one name which came across our mind, and that was of Bhushan. Such was his impact on the HPCL cricket team. Now, he used to come across as a very khadus cricketer, a very typical khadus Mumbai attitude which he possesses on the ground. He is equally friendly and helpful off the field. He has helped a lot of young and budding cricketers from Mumbai through the scholarship scheme which HPCL has. He is also instrumental in helping us, the oil sector people, when we used to host many tournaments for the Petroleum Shield. So, Bhushan came across as a very helpful person. Whenever we used to have any tournament, especially in Vizag, where HPCL has a great base, Bhushan was of great help for us. When we hosted the PSPB Veterans Cricket Tournament, Bhushan helped us a lot in during the hosting of this tournament. So thank you Bhushan for everything, and hope you will be associated with this great game even after the retirement, even after you start your second innings of the retired life. Wishing you and your family a very healthy, safe and happy retired life. Thank you, take care and be safe. Goodbye.